Hello, and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are taking the door panel off of this Ram 2500 to replace the door glass. These ones are actually one of the easier ones to get into, so let's get started. First, we are going to take our ever-present screwdriver here, and we're going to pop open this little trap door to reveal that screw. And we're going to pull that out, and that is going to be the only screw you have to remove. Then we are going to take our WRD TRT here, our little trim removal tool, and you're going to find 6 of these guys around the door panel. They show a Torx on the top, but if you actually take your TRT or other pig's foot tool, you can slip right between there, and you can see that these are actually just these little split keepers here. So throw that there and remove this one. Then you got 2 more here on the bottom. One on this side, one right here, and then you have 2 inside the door panel on the hinge side. Pop these 2 and lift those out. We're going to slip behind here and simply pop that off of there. Super easy. Set that aside. And then we need to take out our switch panel here. We're going to go right underneath this and simply lift. That slips right out. Unplug that. We're going to pop this little panel off right here, like so. And then what you're going to do is simply lift the door panel straight up, like that. Lift it up and over your lock. There are no wires on the inside of this panel because there's no electronics. I'm just going to set that aside, and that is getting the door panel off your 2019 Ram 2500. You got a couple little windows here to get inside so you can vacuum out. You can remove the speaker here, and then if you have to, you can remove all of these 10 mils all the way around and then lean this out one way or the other to clean out that door panel. Anyways, again, that is pulling the door panel off of a 2019 Ram 2500. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.